Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your followers from Poshmark. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Poshmark website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials or your Facebook or Google account. After you have logged in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can access your notification by clicking on the news option. Within this page, you can click on follows to find out the users that have been following you. You can click on the notifications and click on the follow button to follow them back. But if you wish to remove your followers, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on My Closet. Now, from your closet page, you will find your followers option. Go ahead and click on it and you will see all of your followers that you have within your Poshmark application. Just click on any profile that you want to remove as your follower and you can click on the unfollow button if you want to unfollow them. You can also click on the three dots at the right side of the follow button, and in order to make them unfollow you, go ahead and block the user and click on the yes button and then click on the three dots and unblock the user once again. Once you remove them from your block list, they will be removed automatically as your followers, even if you don't have an option to delete them from your follow list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove your followers from your Poshmark account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.